Hello, Jane Cleland here. Can I write a series of short stories? Like you write a series of books featuring the same detective or the same romantic lead and so on. Yes, absolutely. And you just named one of the most important considerations in organizing principle. In your case, a series based on the same sleuth. It could also be that you ask other authors to participate by category. Maybe you want to do a collection of short stories that revolve around cooking or Italy or single women living alone in a big city. It could be anything you want that interests you. You could write them all. You could work with other authors and it becomes an anthology. And then the last organizing principle I'll mention is when it's all your work, but not necessarily all of the same detective. As long as you can collect enough short stories to create a book-length manuscript or document, you're fine. It sounds interesting. Good luck with it. And I hope you find great strength and solace through reading and writing.